You're essentially asking AI to make a decision. If X is true, then make a decision as to whether you should do Y, or maybe make a decision between Y and Z. First, you need to know if X is true. Knowing if X is true can be very difficult. You might need to look through 4 documents that someone has submitted. You might need to look through 20 SMS messages in a back and forth SMS exchange. You might need to check a database of information about various insurance policies and various coverage limits. Maybe also a database of state and county specific legal criteria for a specific type of legal case based on where somebody is from. You might also need to look at past phone conversations and what was discussed and what was learned on those past phone conversations. Maybe also an email thread. You might also need to look at the last 3 minutes of the specific live voice conversation you're in right now to understand the new context that's been discussed and what that person has said. You might need to look at all of this and actually check if 12 different individual things are true or false or uncertain in order to be able to answer the original question, is X true? Because if you don't check all those things, you're probably going to have a 50%, maybe 70% at best accuracy rate on if X is true, which then means if you're asking the AI to autonomously make a decision whether or not to do Y, it's going to be inaccurate a lot of the times. You're going to be like, hey, AI doesn't work. Whatever. I don't want to do this. It's bad for consumers. To make it good for consumers, you need to build out the algorithms tailored to the specific use case that you have.